welcome back to part 2 of Workshop Insulating. Today, the main focus will be, of course, putting insulation in between all the rafters, or studs, and fixing that little air gap up there. I'm gonna go up on the roof, screw that down as much as I can, maybe put some spray foam in there, and maybe put some caulking or something over top to try and help water from getting in as much as possible. Because the last thing we want is wet, moldy insulation and drywall to the roof. We're on the roof. So I'm gonna take some self-tapping screws and some rubber washers and drill down, pull that down as much as I can across the whole roof, and then maybe I'll put silicone over it, or maybe I'll think up some in the future. We'll see. Let's get to it. Okay, got it all screwed in. Next thing I want to do is take a bunch of silicone and see if I can seal along the top of it. We'll see how that goes. All right, we're all siliconed up as much as we could be. It's not beautiful, but it's not bad. Now that I've siliconed everything on the outside roof, it's time for me to spray foam up top and any other gaps that I find. Spray foam time. And now it's time to unload the insulation. I think we're just gonna do one roll at a time. I'm gonna suit myself up so I don't get all itchy from the insulation. Now you may be saying to yourself, Jack, you look like an idiot. And to that I say, you're right. But hopefully this will prevent me from having any insulation fiberglass dust make me itchy tonight. No, sir. Oh wait, I'm sorry, I forgot the most important part. That's my actual thing. Yeah, boys. Thumbnail right here. Nailed it. So I'm going to start on this wall, insulate all that, and then I'll move off the junk on this side over here, put it to there, and I'll work my way over there. So let's get to it. Right, that's one little section done. Now it's time for the rest. Okay, got the whole ground level done. It even sounds different in here. It ruined my acoustics. They were beautiful. Now all I gotta do is the ceiling, which I'm not looking forward to. But it's whatever. Alright, let's do it. I started the top, got 2 in. Then I got really hot, so after I got the 2 in, I stopped. You know, it's with all this, with the suit, the insulation and everything, and it's a warmer day outside, so I'll wait to do it a different day when it's a lot cooler. I think Sunday is supposed to be like 34, which is the day to do some insulation when I gotta wear this suit. But I mean, man, you can just see, look at all the insulation it protected me from. I mean, look at these high quality shoes right there, little feeties. Made them real nice. So I'm gonna unload the rest of the insulation, keep it in the workshop, throw out the trash, and then I'll head home. What's going on, guys? Just wanted to give you a better outro and say thank you for watching. And if you want to see me do drywall, stay tuned for part 3. And if you enjoyed these videos, let me know. Give me a like, maybe subscribe. Thanks for watching.